You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's the Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Elise and I are going to check out Wait, hold on a second. Elise?
Yes?
Thanks for joining me today in the video.
Yeah, I'm glad to be in it.
All
but
right.
Before we start, we need to say thanks to Hasbro for sending us these Lost Kitties.
Yes, and not only are they Lost Kitties, they're Lost Kitties Mice Mania. They are going to take over the Kitty Kingdom.
Yeah.
And now we're going to see what they're all about. So
Yes.
are you ready to open the package?
Yes.
I'll let you do it. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'll hold the bottom. You open the top. Ooh, okay, so there's a card in there. Show them the inside. That's really neat. Put that right. Oh, yes.
Nice
Lost Kitties.
cheese.
Mice Mania looks like cheese.
Yeah.
Havarti, you heard the news? Havarti's a cheese.
Okay.
Your favorite Lost Kitties have been invaded by pesky mice pals that are hidden inside. Underneath this seal, you will find a selection of Swiss-tacular Lost Kitties Mice Mania products to unbox. Dig through the compound to see which kitties and uninvited mice are inside along with their hidden accessory. Keep an eye out for popular figures and some that are rare. Okay, let's see what Elisa finds in here.
Whoa.
Ooh, packed with stuff, huh? Okay, let's see what we have.
Okay.
So we have, how many of those? 3 of those.
3 of those.
What does it look like? It looks like a
see.
toy, like a cat toy. Who's hiding inside? All right, we got 3 of those. What else?
We have
2 of these bigger cans. At first I
Yeah.
thought it looked like Cheese Whiz type
Yeah,
of can.
it
It might
might
be
be.
what it is, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So all right, we have 2 of those, and then we have 3 of the little like
Spicier.
milk carton thingies, right?
Exactly.
All right, so let's move some things out of the way. We will come back and we'll check out all of our Lost Kitties. Mice Mania! Okay, we are back. Nice presentation, Elise. I like how you set that all up.
Thank you.
All right, so we are going to open up the front 3. Are you ready to check them out?
Yes.
All right, so we were wondering if this was like those little block cheeses. You know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about? With the little pull tab on it, and you pull it,
Exactly.
and you can get the cheese out and enjoy it. But now we're going to enjoy our little miceys, huh? Little Mice Mania. All right, you got scissors there. Hand me a pair. Thank you. I'm just going to do this.
Series 3, ages 5 plus.
Ooh, technical details there. All right, we'll each do 1. How's that? And we'll leave that one.
Okay.
Okay, so
Looks like maybe.
you pull it? I
Which
think
way
so.
do you pull it?
I don't know. First break it, I guess. There. Yep, that way.
Oh, that way.
And then you just kind of...
It's kind of satisfying.
Okay. And then you're in your little container. And then you're not in twisted.
There
How'd
you
you
go.
get yours off so easy?
I don't know.
Ah, there we go.
I have magical powers.
Yeah, magical powers. Okay.
And then here's our figure inside
Okay.
of here. And then, are there any accessories or is it just Play-Doh? I think it's just the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Then we have this. Let's open this.
Okay, so let's check out who we got.
See if
Now,
I
I did
can.
not see a brochure. Maybe it's on the end of this.
Okay.
Sometimes you gotta search for those.
There he is.
Ah, cute little one, huh?
Yeah, he is.
Okay, so here we go. Our first, oh, and I have the sticker. See, you gotta take yours out and get your sticker.
Ooh, where is
And
it?
that's gonna tell you it's in this. Fold it up in this.
Oh, okay.
Yep, you gotta open the top. 170 to collect in 2019, Series 3. And then you have So Cutes, hashtags, hashtag cheese please, hashtag mood, hashtag pocket pal, hashtag got skills. Who did you get your paws on? So the super rare are the multicolor little dots.
Okay.
And then, wait, what did you just get? Which one? This one. So you got a yellow.
Right.
And that one's name is Tito Majito.
Nacho
And that
cheese.
is popular. Yours is popular.
Alright.
So now I know which one I have. I've got Jimmy Jolt. I think that's what mine is. There it is. Yes, Jimmy Jolt. So I've also got popular. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, so now we know. Let's set those like that. Let's put our little stickers there next to them. All right, let's each grab a box. Keep one off to the side. I'll take a box. So 170 to collect. Includes 1 figure, 2 accessories, shipping compound container with lid, sticker, and collector sheet. This side gives you all the other information. And then this says, pretty much has cute little pictures, ages 5 plus. Squad Goals. Available figures at lostkitties.com. Ask a parent first.
There's the bottom. All right, pretty cute.
So it just opens up like a regular little milk carton.
Exactly. And then peel.
Okay, let's see. This is the same. Oh, I didn't look at the other side. Let's see. Yes, so let's see. I had that little scene on the back of mine. That little scene on that one. So that's a repeat of that. So we can get rid of that. And then what about that one?
Let's see. Oh.
That is a repeat of that. Okay.
Yes.
So now we've seen the two paper scenes in the back. I'll give everybody a nice better look at those.
Okay.
And back to you, opening up. Here am I. Okay, so remember you got to dig in there. There's a little design on the top. So dig in and find. Ooh, I have one. And my sticker is down there.
White Play-Doh. There's my sticker. See if I can
I have
get
another
it out.
little one. So I have two.
Sticker's kind of stuck down under there.
Yeah, you got to kind of dig it out, huh?
Yeah.
I'm going to use my scissors to dig it out. Okay, so you look at the sticker, you know which one you got.
Yeah.
Okay? At least one of them, anyway.
There we go. Got it.
So this feels like a bigger one now.
We'll have to see
So
if
that is a Lost Kitty.
these ones come with the accessories. Oh, wait. Oh, it has a pull tab.
It does.
Yeah.
Yep, and there's a little accessories. You were right.
I can't really get
So I have a
the
little,
tab.
like a little thing, like a headband thing, and then a microphone.
Okay.
But no,
Right.
no Mice Mania in those. That's a kitty, right? So that's the kitty.
Backpack and that.
I've got this kitty right here. Let's see. So is that on here in regards to? Oh yeah. Okay. So this is a little bit different sheet
Here
now on
is
these.
my kitty that does not like broccoli.
So you have this one here. Okay, so that's popular. So the color designations are different on the kitties than on the mice.
Okay.
And then I have this one here, which is this one here. Mine is Kimmy, and you have Brocon. I think that's O-N or I can't.
Broccoli.
I think so, Broccoli. All right.
Got it.
Put them back there. Your stickers. Now these interesting containers, huh? Mm-hmm. Let us look. Well, first, let's get the plastic off.
Okay.
Is there a pull tab somewhere?
Right here.
Oh, that's by the white. I think that's the designation, right?
I got it from the top.
You got it from the top?
Yeah. Hopefully that's okay.
Yeah, I think the white on the bottom. Look at the bottom. That'll show you exactly where.
Oh, man, broke. Might have to go from the other side then.
Yep, right by the white sticker.
Right by the white sticker.
Mm-hmm. Okay, inside, one canister with cap, 3 figures. Here, hold that one.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Can be hard.
Yep. 3 figures, shaping compound, comic strip, and collector's sheet.
Okay. Where are the directions?
Let's see.
I feel like you need, this tab's important. I don't know why.
Is
Maybe
it?
not. Maybe it just shows you where it is. Okay. Oh, peel here. Notice contains wheat, but there's like a little peel the paper here. So peel yours. You got the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. LostKitties.com.
Peel it
It
all the way.
looks like a cheese whiz container. Yep. Peel it down. And then they're jumping on their little wave of cheese whiz. Series 3. Scratch that. Reverse.
Okay, we got a sheet. Some stickers.
Oh yeah, look at that. I got them too. I got my sheet. So is it a repeat? Okay, we got the same one, but
Yeah.
different than the other ones.
Okay. What yours then?
Well, let's check out the back. Okay, ooh, so there's different looking characters with the mice on this, see?
Okay, here's the instructions.
Oh, there's instructions. Okay, 1. Reload charger by
Here's
turning this
There.
way. 2. This is if you want to reload So you could put your stuff back in.
Oh, okay.
Your compound.
It's open. Take the cap off.
So there's 2 sets of instructions.
Take
You got
that
one,
out.
this little lock and unlock. Okay. So take the top off.
Okay.
Ooh, there's something in there. Just like, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Let's see what these are.
This out.
Ooh, he plopped out. Okay. I got this little character.
I got this one. He's laying down.
Okay, so you got the laying down one. Where's that one? Oh, right here. Upside down it actually lays. It's called Spring Snooze and Doze. And there's a little green one that goes with it that's actually popular.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then.
Caps.
Oh, that's yours. Sorry.
That's
Okay,
great.
I see it in there.
Yeah.
So 2, take off that inner piece, I think. 3, switch this into the up position, unlock.
Where is it?
And then it looks like you just twist.
Oh, is
the
this
reload
hiding
one.
it?
Hold on. Do. Oh,
I
okay,
don't
yeah.
see-
Da,
there it
da,
is.
da. Yeah.
Up.
Up. And then twist the bottom, and out ejects your stuff. You're going the wrong way.
Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Okay. Ooh, look, it's got a little pattern to it like Cheese Whiz. Ah, I love Cheese Whiz. Okay, so there you go. So
Especially
it stops.
with crackers.
Yeah. It stops at a certain point,
Yep. There we go.
and then you have your little characters hidden inside.
And I think these are the 2.
Extra little ones that go with the
Yes.
with the sets. Okay, so let me see here. All right, so I got this little one, little purple mouse. Almost looks like a baby kitty though. And this
I
little
got
one.
this
Oh,
cute
there we
little
go.
green one.
Okay, so there's a lot going on here.
Yeah, there is.
I say we finish getting yours out of the packaging because I want to practice the reload. So I got.
The other one.
Oh, look at these 3 stack.
Oh, wow.
So we don't have those though.
Yeah, you do.
Oh,
you have
I
all
do.
3 of them.
I do. Okay, so the yellow one goes first.
See if you can stack them.
The challenge is on.
You can also put it on the Play-Doh to make it a little more.
Do what?
Put it on the Play-Doh to make it a little more steady,
Yeah, probably.
or stable.
There we go. How cute is? Oh,
Come
what
on.
happened?
So close.
Okay, nobody move. Nobody breathe.
Okay.
There we
Okay.
go.
Good
All right,
job.
let's clean up. Let's come back and just figure out this reload on this, huh?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, I figured it out. First, turn it back. Yeah, all the way back. Second, remove the little tube. This comes out. I think you're good. Just the top. Yep,
Just
little
the
bitty
top.
top.
Oh,
Turn,
this
turn,
top.
turn, turn, turn. There you go.
Okay.
Then roll this back up
Oh.
like a sausage or a hot dog. Stick it back in. And put your cap back on. Okay. And then go back to the extraction. Yeah, just jam it in there. It only goes so low.
Jam it?
See, it
Oh.
only goes so low. So just kind of put it, and then put the cap around it like it was. There you go. There you go. And then you could re-extract and keep playing. So it becomes a toy. You can put your little characters back in there, I guess, and just keep redoing it. Yeah, see, there's the red thing that goes inside. There you go, going the right way. Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, that's pretty simple. Okay, there you go. So we were able to do that. All right, so everything we got. Now, out of all of them, did you have a fave?
I kind of like those.
The stacking
three.
ones?
Yeah.
Okay, can't have them. Next.
I like the broccoli.
Can't have those either. No, you can have whatever you want. Elise tends to, after the videos, take what she wants. If she likes it or not, we don't know. We'll find out later.
Yes.
But I think she's taken some of these before.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so I know she is going to enjoy them. All right, there you go. The Lost Kitties Mice Mania collection now. We have some extras, so we will just hold those off to the side. And maybe one day use it as a giveaway. We don't know. We will see.
Can't stick it in all the way.
Yeah, there you go. Nice job. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.